Consequences of lanthanoid contraction. What is the meaning of consequences? Nothing but effect or impact of lanthanoid contraction. There are two effects. One is basicity differences. Second one is similarities among lanthanoids. There is a similarity among the lanthanoids. First we are going to discuss about the basicity differences. If we move from cerium to lutetium, the basic character of lanthanoid 3+ ions decreases. Lanthanoid 3+ ions decreases. There is a decrease in the basic character. Because decrease in the size of lanthanoid 3+ ions, the ionic character of lanthanoid OH bond decreases. The ionic character of lanthanoid OH bond decreases. It is mentioned as LN-OH bond. We know already LN-OH bond is covalent character increases. LN-OH bond, that is covalent character increases, which result in the decrease in the basicity. Similarities among lanthanoids. In the complete F series, in the overall F series, only 10 pm, there is a picometer, 10 picometer decrease in atomic radius and 20 picometer decrease in the ionic radius is observed. The overall F series, there is very little decrease in atomic and ionic radius. Because of this, very small change in the radius of lanthanoids. Because of this small change, their chemical properties are very similar. The elements of the second and third transition series resemble each other more closely than the elements of the first and second transition series. We already discussed the elements of the second and third transition series resemble each other. We confirm the same by this tabular column. We pick the one element from each series, 3D series, 4D series and 5D series. The 3D series is the first series, 4D series is the second one, 5D series is the third series. Here in 3D series we pick Ti, the element we taken is Ti, it is atomic radius is 132 pm. And for 4D series we take Zeta, its atomic radius is 145 pm. And for 5D series we take HF, it is 144 pm. We compare these three data, second and third, 145 pm and 144 pm, they are very close. By this we confirm the elements of the second and third transition series resemble each other more closely. Next we move to actinoids. Already we saw lanthanoids, it have 4 elements. The same way actinoids also have 14 elements. It is following the actinum, we have 14 elements from thorium to lawrencium. They are called as actinoids. Unlike the lanthanoids, all the actinoids are radioactive and most of them have short half-lives. We already know radioactive, so obviously they have very short half-lives. Only thorium and uranium occur in significant amount in nature, and a trace amount of plutonium is also found in uranium ores. Very trace amount of plutonium is also found in uranium ores. Neptunium, Np and successive heavier elements are produced synthetically by the artificial transformation of naturally occurring elements by nuclear reaction. So neptunium and other elements we can prepare by the nuclear reactions. And similar to lanthanoids, they are placed at the bottom of the periodic table. The actinoids are placed at the bottom of the periodic table. I hope you remember the slide. Periodic table, and I mentioned the F block element. Electronic configuration of actinides. The electronic configuration of actinides is not definite. The general valence electronic configuration of 5F element is represented as, there is common electronic configuration for actinide is Rn 5F2214 60 022 7 S2. Rn radon 5F 2 to 14 6D 0 to 2 and 7S2. The tabular column I gave the electronic configuration for actinides. Now we see first actinium, atomic number 89 and symbol AC. Electronic configuration Rn 5F0 61 7S2. As 5F0 there is no F orbital electron. And we go to thorium, atomic number 90, symbol TH, electronic configuration Rn 5F0 62 7S2. 5F0 62 7S2. Then productinium, atomic number 91, symbol PA, electronic configuration. The productinium electronic configuration is Rn 5F2 61 7S2. Then uranium, atomic number 92, symbol U, electronic configuration Rn 5F3 61. Then neptunium, atomic number 93, symbol Np, electronic configuration Rn 5F4 6D1 7S2. Then plutonium, atomic number 94, symbol Pu, electronic configuration Rn 5F6 6D0 7S2. Then americium, atomic number 95, symbol Am, Rn 5F7 6D0 7S2. Then curium, atomic number 96, symbol Cm, Rn 5F7 6D1 7S2. So 5F7 half filled. Next, berkelium, atomic number 97, Bk, Rn 5F9 6D0 and 7S2. Then californium, atomic number 98, symbol Cf, electronic configuration Rn 5F10 6D0 7S2. Then einsteinium, atomic number 99, symbol Es, electronic configuration Rn 5F11 6D0 7S2. Then fermium, atomic number 100, symbol Fm, electronic configuration Rn 5F12 6D0 7S2. Then mendelevium, atomic number 101, symbol Md, electronic configuration Rn 5F13 6D0 7S2. nobelium, atomic number 102, symbol No, electronic configuration Rn 5F14 6D0 7S2. The last one, lawrencium, atomic number 103, symbol Lr, electronic configuration Rn 5F14 7S2 7p1. 5F14, the completely filled electronic configuration. Kindly go through this tabular column and try to write the electronic configuration of actinides by yourself.